Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add signature to your document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word document, and wait, I'm going to add tags to this document like this, and I'm going to add my signature right here. Okay, if you want to add your signature, you can go to the insert menu, and then you're going to go to the shapes, and then you're going to select the lines category and select this option, scribble. Okay, and here you will be able to draw your signature like this, and you can customize the line right here, and you can customize the line according to your need. If you want to add the thicker line, you just need to select this one. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add signature to our document in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.